Hello, hello, and welcome to the Speaking Corner. Speaking Practice 70. Today's topic, advice and suggestion. You have 1 minute to answer the following question. Imagine that you have a foreign friend and he wants to shop from your city. Give him some advice and suggestions. Let's go. Well done. Now let's get some recommendation. Number 1, you are supposed to use simple present. Number 2, you are supposed to use the modals of suggestion, like should, shouldn't, ought to, or ought not to. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. See you. Goodbye.